Happy Monday. I am at the MSI showroom in Hayward. We had a little hiccup with countertops at another company and they're not going to be in on time for our St. project that we need to have the clients in by Thanksgiving. So I am last minute picking out some slabs at MSI and I will show you guys what I'm finding. All right, here is the countertop that I'm thinking of, Calcutta Miraggio Cove. Overall, pretty light in color. Has a little bit of the kind of smaller cloudy veins like marble, and then a little bit of the darker, which is more on the browner side, which is going to look great in the warmth of our St. project. Here is the white cabinetry that is along the back wall. This is the island cabinetry. This little piece right here is the sample of countertop that we were originally going to go with. And so, like, looking at it, the coloring in the veins is so similar to this one. This one might be a smidge darker in some of these veins, but it also just depends on where this piece of the sample came from on the island. It could have, come from a section that had lighter veining like you see over here. So overall, it's very, very similar. This slab might be a tiny bit more on the whiter side than what you're seeing back here. So maybe a little bit more gray or like a off-white compared to this larger slab, but I think it's very, very similar. So this is my top pick. Here's what the back of the slab looks like as a full slab of what we originally picked. The veins are pretty similar to what we have in this larger slab here. If anything, this slab has a little bit less veining than what you see in this example. Here is comparing the tile backsplash here up against the counter. This is not the direction the tile is going to be laid. This is really just to show you color. But overall, I think it goes great. All right, so I'm so sorry about the noise. It's extra loud in the showroom. We've got music and also heavy equipment in the back, but this is the Calcutta Miraggio installed on this island here. So I just wanted to give you an example of what this looks like installed. Overall, it's very light in color. I think it has the perfect subtle type of veining